Hi, first grade. Today is lesson 49 for Saxon Phonics, and we're going to learn a new digraph. But first, let's review what vowels and consonants are, and then we can also talk about some syllables before we get to our new skill. So, can you tell me what are the vowels in our alphabet? What are the vowels in our alphabet? I have some of them showing behind me. Looks like one fell down. The vowels in our alphabet are A, E, I, O, and U. Sometimes Y acts as a vowel, but right now let's talk about A, E, I, O, U. All of the other letters are called consonants. And so we've been talking about syllables for the past few lessons. And remember that syllables are the word parts that you hear. And vowels are very important when talking about syllables because every word has to have a vowel in it, but also every syllable has to have a vowel sound. So a word can have more vowels than syllables, but it can't have fewer vowel sounds than syllables. So let's check this rule out. So I want you to look at the first word on my board. I know there are several words. Just focus on this one right now. Can you read what this word says? This word is napkin. Napkin. Let's try to clap out the syllables in the word napkin. Ready? Napkin. Napkin. How many syllables do you hear? 2, right? Napkin. Let's see how many vowels are in the word napkin. What are the vowels that you see? A and I. So how many vowels are there? 2, and there were 2 syllables. So does our rule work? Yes, it does. This is a good example. Let's look at this word. Do you know what this word is? This word is school. School. How many syllables are in the word school? School. School. There is 1 syllable in the word school. There are 2 vowels in the word school, though. 2 vowels, but 1 syllable. Does this rule work? Yes. The word can have more vowels than syllables, but not the other way around, okay? Now, let's get to today's digraph. I'm going to say a word and I want you to repeat it and listen for the sound that's in the medial position, the word that's in the middle, okay? Hook. Hook. Wood. Wood. Foot. Foot. Hook. Wood. Foot. What sound do you hear in the medial position of hook, wood, foot? Hear the sound? Put your fingers on your throat. Hook, wood, foot. Do you feel that? It's a voiced sound. Okay, let's look at these words. Hook, wood, and foot. Hook, wood, foot. What 2 letters do you see that are making the sound? Right, the 2 O's. All of these words have the sound in the middle position, and O are the middle letters in all of these words. O must be the letters making the sound. How many sounds do you hear in 1. But how many letters are making that sound? 2. What do we call it when there are 2 letters that come together to make 1 sound? It's a digraph. Is digraph O a vowel digraph or a consonant digraph? It's a vowel digraph. Why? it makes a vowel sound, and it's made up of vowels. How do we code digraphs? We underline them. Very good. So hook, hook, digraph O-O. Wood, wood, digraph O-O. Foot, foot, digraph O-O. So digraph O-O can say Now, I want you to repeat these words after me and listen for the sound in the medial position. Scoot, scoot. Room, room. Boot, boot. What sound do you hear in the medial position of scoot, room, boot? Do you hear the ooh sound? That is one sound, right? Ooh. Scoot, room, boot. What two letters are making the ooh sound? Right, the two O's. Digraph O-O makes a second sound. So digraph O-O can make two sounds. When you see a word that contains this digraph, you should try one sound and see if it makes a word. If it doesn't sound right, try the other one. So let's code these words. Scoot. Okay, back on the C. Digraph O-O. Scoot. Room. Digraph O-O. And boot. Digraph O-O. Okay. Let's look at our two new keywords for digraph O-O. We have two picture cards since digraph O-O can make two different sounds. So let's see if you can guess what the keywords are from the description. The first keyword has the sound. This is something very sharp. It is usually dropped into the water from a long string. We put worms on this to catch fish. What do you think it is? Good, it's a hook. Hook, hook, The next keyword has the ooh sound. Let's see if you can guess it. This is a hard bone-like structure found in your mouth. It comes loose and falls out when you are young, but a new one will grow in. What do you think it is? Makes the ooh sound. This word is tooth. Tooth, ooh. Tooth, ooh. So we have hook, tooth, ooh. All right. Last thing that we have for today's lesson is a new sight word. This has digraph O-O in the word. This word is school. 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 Can you use the word school in a sentence? I love going to Crestwood School every day. School. Very good learning digraph O-O. Now join me for the worksheet.